What is up, guys? You can't really even see me. You can see the trap blazer back here behind me. Today is the first day of fall, I do believe. It's the equinox. We got the trap blazer out here. You can see the jag, lights bouncing off that. And then look behind me. You can barely see it in the darkness. Chevy Equinox. We're gonna put this on the channel. We have some projects coming up for this, maybe a couple this fall, and most of it I do believe will be next spring, so that'll be fun. Let's get the light on here and the camera flipped around. There we go. 2015 Chevy Equinox. There's no tint, there's no wheels, there's no interior lights other than what comes on the factory. There's pinstripe. I think those are like 17s. Those are cute little wheels. There it is. All-wheel drive, bow ties. I think it says Equinox here. Sure does. Equinox. So this is it. It's the trunk room. A little bit of trunk. We can't use it all up, guys. So we can put a little bit back there, but we can't use it all. Definitely need some tint. They need to take this out to see Amos and get this thing tinted, because the sun is going to burn you up. Oh, you can't see. So much glare inside. Sorry, guys. You see a little bit of the trim inside. It's nice. It's clean. Definitely coming to the channel. You guys have to get in the comments. Oh, man. Let me know what you think. I'm thinking 24s. Maybe 22s. We'll see. I'll have to fit a set of 24s. I don't know how much room we really got, guys. 22s I know will go on here. They'll look good. Still put a sidewall on here so it doesn't beat you to death. You don't ding the wheels up. But I think it needs some lights. It definitely needs an underglow, some interior lights, maybe some dome lights. But the tint is a must. The sooner the better. It's the front end. I like the front end on this. Looks kind of neat. There's the trap Bentley, the Jag, Trapmobile. That's it. It's sitting. I still got the windows down. I gotta close it up for the night, guys. There it is. Oh man, I'm jamming in here. They're gonna copyright flag me. You see the big bow tie up there? Let's go back here. Lit up. Give a shout out to Travis Peters. I was over at his house tonight. He's got a blazer, and it is a special color too. It's got the color flip and the pearl. It kind of looks charcoal. It kind of looks sea green. It kind of looks all kinds of colors when the sunlight hits it. It definitely needs a good polish up on the paint job, and it would be beautiful when the sun hits it. Definitely. So see them big wheels, the light dancing. Man, if I can keep my balance here. You guys probably wondering what the heck, right? Let's get out here. Away from this copyright and all these other lights. Ooh, man, the Jag looks good. You can see the reflection. I like those wheels. There it is again. Alright, we're going to kill this light so we can check out this hoverboard. Oh, snap. There it is, guys. It matches up with the trap blazer real nice. Thing is a lot of fun. The battery's kind of dying a little bit. I've been out here on it for probably an hour or so, and I've just been zipping around like this. It's a lot of fun. But I figure it's pretty fitting with the trap blazer. Makes for a good light show. It'll be fun at the meets. We'll go hang out. I'll zip around on the hoverboard, talk a bunch of smack. Definitely need to get these guys lit up. They're missing the lights. They definitely need lit up too. They're missing out. So that way the whole driveway is a nice light show. The Jag's missing out. It looks lonely over here with no lights. The Equinox, you can't even see it back here in the dark. It's just hidden away, like it's just low key hiding out on factories. Man, you can't even see them. Let's get up here. The factories, man, we gotta change those. But that's what we're doing tonight, guys. It's the day of the equinox, the first day of fall. I've been reviewing videos for upcoming episodes. The show is coming here to Facebook. I'm nearly certain of that. We're still going to be on YouTube, but you're going to be able to watch it right here and watch everything grow and help grow along with me. So that's the plan. Season 2 is definitely coming to Facebook. We're going to get Season 1 up here in an album and get it posted, so that way everybody can catch up on the early spring events and just call it last year's work, pretty much putting the wheels on and getting the trap blazer ready for this season. But I have all the footage and all the video, piles and piles of videos, hours and hours to watch through and review and then go through and edit. So by the time you guys see the video for the equinox, it's going to be getting warm again, and it's going to be time to be putting wheels on the equinox here that you can't see behind me, and projects for the Jag. So I definitely have a few cool projects for that coming up. I want to do an exhaust, and I'm looking at electric turbos electric turbos for this, and I want to widen it up about 5 inches total, maybe roll the fenders out, set it out wide, 14 wides in the back, 12s in the front. We'll see how it goes, see what's going on. We got to get through the winter months. But back there's the trap blazer, guys. First day of fall. I want to welcome everybody. Thank everybody for a great summer. It's been awesome. We've had a great time. We've been a lot of places. We've seen a lot of faces. We've done a lot of things, and I'm just glad that everybody could be here and share it all with me. I really appreciate everybody and all their comments and likes and following. Like I said, you guys are what make it happen. So I'm glad to do the lit giveaway. Another shout out to Tyler Simpson, our lit giveaway winner. That is awesome. I can't wait to see what he has in store for us and videos and things to come. Definitely, when it warms back up, he's going to be a guy to keep an eye on. We got that loud train in the background, guys. So we're going to call it a night. I think it's almost 10 o'clock or so. We're going to bag this up, wrap it up. So until next time, keep on trapping. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow, get in the comments, let us know what you think, what you got going on, what do you want to see on the channel, and keep on trapping.